Hi Cooking Cronies, welcome back to our channel. I'm Vicki Marie. I'm going to show you guys how to make this super healthy, super easy ice cream. And this only has 3 ingredients. It is super good, non-dairy, very healthy. I'm using this for my after workout treat today, and I'm going to walk you through it. Super easy. This is such an easy recipe. I'm going to start with some frozen bananas, and you need a good blender. So I don't have any measurements. You just put in as many as you want. So I'm just going to add, that's maybe half a banana there. And so, well, maybe that's another half. I mean, that might be one banana. Let's start there. Now, I had already sliced these bananas up and put them in the freezer. So they are frozen, these little slices. We're just going to blend this together. Now, I am going to add just a little bit of almond milk, just a tad. You can also add regular milk or coconut milk. That's probably about a tablespoon. And I am going to get my wooden spoon and just push that down a little bit. These were very ripe bananas, so it's super sweet. I can smell it. It just smells so good. Okay, let's check that out. It's getting there. Now, these were frozen bananas, so it's going to take a while. But it's so worth it. I am going to push this down the sides, a little bit, just make sure everything gets blended up. And you, like I said, you do need a hardy blender for this. I did try my little bullet the first time. It's just not hardy enough. You really, I mean, it'll work in a pinch, but you don't want to burn that motor out. This motor on the Ninja is much better, and you know, you just need a good quality food processor or blender. That's looking so good, and you can just keep blending and keep blending until it's just nice and smooth. But super good, super good. This isn't quite there yet. It's getting there. I'm having a hard time waiting. I worked out today, and this is my after workout treat. Let me show you what I do next. You can add other things in it if you want. I'm using some of my whey isolate protein. It's a chocolate powder. This one's from Redcon 1. It's the company we like to use. We have no affiliation with them whatsoever. We just order it from a friend. It is really good, and it's just got a good taste to it. And I don't use a lot of protein powder, just a little bit. So I'm only using maybe a quarter of the scoop that came with it. So not even. So just enough to give it a flavor and a little bit of a chocolatey flavor. But I mean, you can add whatever you want to this. You can add chocolate syrup if you want. You can add coconut, shredded coconut, whatever you want to add to it, whatever you would put in your ice cream. Pineapple chunks. You can do anything, like really, that you want to do with it. Peanut butter. If you wanted to, I do have some of this PB Fit peanut butter powder, which is really, really good. Am I even in the screen? I hope so. This is really good too. You can add a little bit of this to your mix too. I'm not going to today because I just want the chocolate, but this is good too. Or regular peanut butter. And I do have vanilla protein powder as well. And that's another thing I could add is a little bit of vanilla protein powder. And then add some crushed pineapples, maybe some coconut. It would be like a little bit of a tropical drink there. Perfect on a hot day like today. All right, let's take a look. Oh my, look at that. Look how creamy that is. Just takes a little patience. Oh my Lord. Look at this. Seriously, looks like ice cream. That's what it looks like. Only it's just banana. Banana, a little bit of almond milk, and in my case, I put a little bit of chocolate protein in there. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments if you have given this a try. If you like ice cream and you're trying to cut back on dairy, seriously, I would have never believed that you could do this with bananas, but you can, and it tastes so good. I hope you enjoy. Have a lovely, blessed day.